Hi everyone! Hi everyone! This is Kasha, Plannerista 101, and today I am going to be bringing you my 2020 planner lineup. However, before I do that, I wanted to share with you guys my 2019 lineup and show you what has worked, what hasn't, and we'll go from there. So this is my catch-all. This is actually my Franken planner, my Transformer Franken planner, and it has a few planners in here, and I only carry a month out of each planner. And then I have some additional sections like this collection sections where I make different things like bucket lists and vision boards and social media trackers, stuff like that. And then I have my getting things done with the master list and projects lists and etc. And then those are my steps. And then I have the planners in here, meal planning, budget, projects, all of that stuff is in here. And that's my catch-all. That's actually my Franken planner. My catch-all planner is this. It used to be this, now it's this. So this is the Modern Peach. It's an 18-month planner. As you can see, it's the vertical layout. So it's this, and I started with this in July, and I stuck with it all the way to end of October. Okay. Yep, the last spread was this. And the reason I'm switching is because, first of all, this binding was driving me nuts. And I finally figured out how to cover it. But before that, I didn't know how to cover it. And when I was making spreads like this one, this was driving me insane. Like, this is such a beautiful black and white spread. And I'll move this so I can show you. And it's driving me insane that I wasn't able to accomplish the same thing with it. So, and even like this one works, but like this one, these blue flowers shouldn't be here. And I could white out, but I didn't want to white out so much because that's a lot of white outing, and I didn't feel like doing that. So, and I don't go back and change my spreads when once they're finished, they're finished. I don't touch them. But like I said, I finally got some label paper and I was able to cover that up, and I covered with washi. But prior to that, I wasn't doing anything. And I don't always want to have washi here or label paper, because even the color of the label paper is slightly off from the page color. And I really don't like that. So I didn't feel like I should do that all the time. And I have found a planner that completely fits my needs, and it's this one. It's the Modern Peach planner. It's completely neutral. The monthly is neutral and beautiful. The only color in this planner is that tiny peach notes box, as well as here. It is gorgeous and perfect, and myself to a T. So this planner will be continuing on. One of the planners that's finishing in December is this Inkwell Press planner, and I was with the company for such a long time, but I am so disappointed this year, guys. I can't, like, my heart is breaking how disappointed I am. So this planner, when I purchased it, it was almost $100. I had to reinforce my own tabs because they came so flimsy. On day 3 of using it, this was already like this. Look at the cover. Can you see? I don't know if you can see in the light, but it's completely marked up, dented in. Corners are ruined. They're not reinforced or anything. The ruler that came with this snapped within first 2 months. The cover has like cracks in the gray area where the snap-ins are. Like, seriously, for $100, the quality of this planner is pretty sad. So I decided not to continue, I'm gonna finish my social media in this planner. This was my social media planner. I'll show you what that looked like. It was very simple, just pretty much writing down whatever I did, and maybe using boxes here and there, and that was pretty much it. That's all I did. But I will not be continuing with this planner. This planner will be replaced with something else, and my next planner is my meal, so food and mood tracker planner, my food log. And this was my horizontal sugar and pie planner, and it looks like this. And it was fun. It was a lot of fun to decorate this thing. It was really beautiful. And this planner will be serving another purpose in this coming up year, so I'll share that in just a minute. But it is a beautiful planner as well, and that will be just repurposed. Last but not least is this planner, which is Vintage Botanicals. Again, all of my planners are classic size planners. I don't use any other sizes. And it's just easier to combine them when they're the same size, because as we all know, the pages from the Happy Planner pop off and you can miss and match them. And because I like doing that, I decided that all of my planners will be classic planners, and they're perfect to carry around with me. They're like the perfect size to carry around, and I don't have a problem with the size. I think the big one would be too big and the small one wouldn't have enough room for me to put everything that I need to do. So this planner will be serving another purpose as well. I was simply writing in it, doodling, not doing much more than doodles and like to-do lists, but I'm changing this and repurposing this to something else because simply I love this planner, but it doesn't have enough room for my to-do lists. So it will be serving another purpose in the next year, and I'll share that in just a second. So let me pull all my planners for next year up, and I'll show you one by one what they're going to be serving purpose of. Just give me a second. Okay, you guys, those are all my planners. Call me crazy planner lady. I know. Call me crazy planner lady. This is insane. I know. Okay, so let's start with this planner, and let me move them aside, and I'll be grabbing them one by one and showing you what they're for. Starting with this is going to be my extra planner. It is completely peach and black. It's the Teresa Collins, and I'll be using this as my extra planner for anything that I need, or if I mess up the spread. So this will be my extra planner. Second up is my on-the-go planner. On-the-go is this spring floral with the cover of She Blooms, and it's gold foiled and it's gorgeous, and it's blue and floral, and I am obsessed with how pretty this thing is. Look at this. Every single month is beautiful, and it is a vertical layout, and it's enough room to write all of the stuff that I need to write for myself on the go. So anything I think of will go into this planner, and it's my on-the-go planner. So as I'm walking around and thinking of stuff, it's not going to be probably pretty. It's going to be like my other one where I'm just doodling and doing stuff. But this will probably be most likely my catch-all, on the go I mean. My catch-all planner will continue to be this modern peach, which I showed you. For me, this is the most perfect planner. I've never seen anything so beautiful. It is completely up to me to create whatever I want in here. This is my dream come true. So this planner, I will probably stay in it for the remaining of the year. It is an 18 months, so it does go until December of 2020, which I couldn't be happier about. And like I said, it is my dream come true. So this planner stays the way it is. Next up is my year to shine. And this planner will be my food log, wellness planner, and I decided for that because it is a vertical. So again, it has 3 sections going down, 1, 2, 3. And I thought something for the body, something for the mind, and something for the spirit. So I'll be tracking things like workouts and food and mood and anything that I'm reading as far as wellness. Like I might be taking notes on those back pages here. So I think this is a perfect planner, the way it's set up for myself as far as the wellness goes. And if you want to see how I'm going to be setting this up for my wellness, please leave a comment down below. I'll be more than happy to share of how I'm going to be doing that. Not all of those planners will be planned with me, but the ones that you guys request, I'll definitely do. This is the vintage botanical again. This so through December, this will be my on the go planner where I date these and then I put whatever I am doing that day. But starting January, this will become my budget planner. And I decided to go with this as a budget planner for a couple reasons. It has a big notes section, and that means I'll be able to list all of my bills here and then place them on a respected days or of when the bill is due and be able to do that. And then it has trackers, which I'll be able to do no spending, no takeout, food and stuff like that. And then I'll be able to set up monthly saving goals and then priorities, and anytime I'll be able to pay something off or be debt free, I'll be able to write what I'm grateful for financially. And because each of those sections is a corresponding day, I'll be able to track my spending on each particular day, so that will be good. And then because it has such a large section, I'll be able to plan my budget out on those 2 pages. And then in this, I'll be able to set up kind of my wants for February or whatever corresponding month it might be, and then put birthdays up here, and then be able to put how much I spend on those gifts as well, just as a quick reference. So I really do love how beautiful this planner is, and I'll be continuing using it. It's just going to be something different. So that will continue on as well. My next one is my horizontal. And my horizontal is no longer going to be my food and wellness. This will be simply my planner. So every morning I try to journal for a few minutes, and this will be serving that purpose. It's already kind of prepped for it perfectly, where it has several lines for each single day. So I'll be able to sit down, reflect on the previous day, and say, this went really great, or I should work on this one. And that reflecting helps me grow and become the best version of myself. So I think this is so important to be able to reflect on your day. So it's kind of perfect. I probably won't be using the monthly section very much in this. However, the journal will be fully utilized. Next up is this planner, which pretty much everybody knows what this is. It's the homebody. People went crazy over this. This is a dashboard layout. I'll show you what that looks like. And this is going to be my social media planner. And I wasn't going to buy this planner and I wasn't going to use a dashboard layout, but then after thinking about it, I decided that this is pretty much already set up for success for my social media. So instead of dinner plans, I'll put video plans and plan out what days I'm posting what videos. I'm gonna make a huge to-do list up here for all the tasks that I need to do videos. and then as I'm completing them, I'm gonna transfer them into the days that I need to do it. The errands will become my follower trackers, and important and focus will stay the same, and it's set up the same every single week, so I'll be able to do that. I think that will work pretty great to be able to do weekly planning for my social media. So that's the home body. This is called a dashboard layout, and that'll be serving my social media planner purpose. And last but not least, I am moving away from this planner. However, this will be repurposed as well. So on Instagram, I am part of this group called Traveling Planner, and what it is, it's 20 or 21 of us who are going to be sending a planner to each other. It's going to be one communal planner. We're going to be sending it for 2 weeks to each individual, and we're going to plan in it like it was our own planner, and then send it to the next person. So it's almost like a sisterhood of the traveling pants, but with a planner and decorating and sharing. And I think this will be so great, and I can't wait till it comes to me. But I have offered to put in July through December from this planner into that one. So I'll for sure share that. And I'll be doing videos of the planner and possibly a flip through of all the girls and what they did in that planner with all of you guys. So I can't wait to share that with you. Okay, and then I have one more planner, which is the colorful boxes, and that's my work planner. And unfortunately, due to HIPAA regulations and sensitive information in that planner, I'm not able to share it. However, many of you guys know that I have also bought this planner. And I have bought this planner to give away to you guys. So it is a vertical layout. It's beautiful. However, I thought it would be more neutral, and I can't really justify using it because I know that I won't stick with it. So I would like to give it to someone who will be using it and loving it, because all planners need to be loved. And leave me a comment down below. What else would you like to receive in this giveaway with this planner? I do have quite a few Planner Babe add-ons from that collection as well. I'm going to be buying you guys some goodies with it. So this will be 2nd or 3rd week of December. I'm not sure yet. I want to make sure you guys get this before January 1st. But let me know in the comments down below, what do you think you would like to receive with this planner? It is beautiful. It's just not plain enough for me. I know that this binding would drive me crazy, but look how pretty it is. So I want to give it to someone who's gonna really enjoy it. And this giveaway will be announced, I think, sometime in December, so be on the watch out. And then I'll be able to include and show you guys everything that I'm including in it. So again, that's all I have. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I know I am this crazy planner lady with so many planners, and I get it. It's not for everyone. Not everyone needs as many planners as I do. However, I have a very busy life, multiple jobs and businesses, and now social media. So I just want my life to be as easy as possible, and this seems to be working for me. And I know it probably, for a lot of you, you think it takes a lot of time. For me, it takes the same amount of time whether I have 6 planners or 1 planner. But if I had 1 planner, it would have to be really huge. So this way it kind of breaks up my load a little bit, and then I know where to go for each section. Anyway, so that's all done. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys very soon. Thanks, bye!